there is one very common doubt for most of the people. There is one question which is eating our Python students' brain. Okay, they are asking something like x is equal to abcd. It is a list. It is a list is there. Okay, for x of -1 in x, in x, print x of -1, end is equal to empty. Okay, so this for loop, whatever print statements are going to print, can you please print in the same line? What is the output we are going to get? dddd, abcd, abcc, none of these. Okay, like sir, majority of the people are always going to feel yes, the answer for this is sir, either error or none of these, or a, maybe a. Okay, like most of the some people are going to feel like this. Sir, what is the reason for that? Okay, we are always having, if you want to iterate, we had this type of syntax only. Okay, forget about this. Sir, for each I, for each x1 in x, print x1, we know already this one. Okay, array for every element x1 present inside x, can you please print x1? End means don't next output should be in the same line. Next output should be in the same line. That is the end property. So for each x1 in x means first time x1 is a, sir. Okay, next time x1 is a b, next time x1 is the c, next time x1 is the d. Okay, like can you please print x1? What is the output by default we are going to get if I execute this code? Sir, here just observe carefully. What the answer by default we are going to get? A, B, C, D is the answer. Normal for loop, we are already familiar this type of syntax. Okay, like I don't think there is a problem up to this. Clear for you people? Any explanation is required about this syntax up to this? Array for every element x1 inside x, for every element x1 inside x, print x1. That's all. Like, but what about this syntax? This is a bigger problem, right? What will happen here is, listen very carefully about this syntax, right? Internally, what thing is happening? This part I have to discuss for you people, right? Okay, well, what thing is happening in this case is simple, sir. Okay, if I can take x is equal to 10 is there. Assume that x is equal to 10 is there. Now x is equal to 20. Can you please tell what is the x value? What is the x value now? So that 10 replaced with that 10 replaced with 20. Now if I print x value, what is the output by default you are going to get? 20 itself is the answer we are going to get, because 10 got replaced with 20 is the final value. Okay, like now in this case what will happen is a, b, c, d is there, sir. Now listen very carefully about this one, sir. This is my list. This is the list of what we have. A, b, and then c, d is there. This is the list. What will happen in this case? Here is a, b, and c, and d is there. Now just because of this for loop, what will happen is very simple. For each element present inside x, okay, first which element is going to consider? Please confirm. First which element is going to consider? Respond. First which element is going to consider? A will be considered. So forget about this one, sir. Normal for loop assume. Normal for loop assume. First, whenever you are iterating the elements by using normal for loop, first A will be considered, next B will be considered, next C will be considered, next D will be considered. Okay, like so for loop is always going to take elements from left to right. Assume. Okay. First which element is going to be considered, sir? A got considered. Okay, now this a this a placed inside this variable. Remember this one, sir. Here if I can take like this, 1 minute, let me take this example also. Here let me share this question. Here let me save this question. Here see this one. If you aware this, nothing will be there, sir. Here observe, for each x1, sir, can you please print x1? For each x1 in x, can you please print like, sir, can you tell what is the x1 first? What is the x1 value? Please confirm. If you can understand this, then it is very easy. First, what is the x1 value? X1 value is a. X1 value is a. So means this for loop is going to take a, that a will be assigned to x1, and then it is going to print that x1. So a first iteration completed. Now what is the x1, sir? Now b will be assigned to x1. Now that b is going to be printed. So this x1 is a temporary variable to save current element. Correct, right? Have you observed x1 here, x1, x yes, temporary variable to save sir current value. So means first a value will be saved inside x1, and then b value will be saved inside x1. Okay, c value will be saved inside x1, and then d value will be saved inside x1. Okay, any doubt about this? Respond. Any doubt about this one? I don't think. Okay, well, perfect. Now you can understand very easily. Observe this one, sir. So first, which value we are going to get? A we are going to get. This A, where it will be saved, sir? In this location, it will be saved. Remember this one. A, where it will be saved, sir? Sir, in this, for this it is going to be saved. X of -1 means last location inside this one. Okay. What will happen here is now this D will be replaced with A. Observe carefully. Are you in the position to understand, right? So whenever first iteration, now A will be considered. This A is going to be stored in this location. Okay, like now I'm asking about x of -1. Array in this, what is the last element? -1 means last element, right? -1 means the last value. Currently, what is the last value, sir? A is going to be printed. Any doubt? Sir, here this is the trick you have to observe. Array, read this variable, and save this variable where, sir? In this. X of -1 means, sir, last element, save. Now, can you please print, sir, last element? Now, what is the current last element, sir? A is the last element. Perfect. Now next iteration is going to start. What is the next iteration? B value. Next iteration, next element is the B. Can you please save this B? Where, sir? In this last location. In this last location. And sir, print last element. Now this last element is going to be replaced with B, and print that. That's why B is going to get. Okay. Why in the same line output is coming? Because n is equal to empty means output will be continued in the same line. Okay, like now A and B completed. Now C, sir, can you please take this C and save this C in the last location? Okay, like say last location already C is there. Can you please save this C in the last location? Print that. Okay, like completed. Okay, like sir, now take very special care about this one. A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, like we got. Now, sir, what is the next element? What is the next element? Now read the next element. Sir, actually read the next element means now which element is there in the last location? In the X, which element is there in the last location? Can you please tell? See. Now read the last element. This is the updated X, sir. This is the updated. Now read the last element. Sir, can you please save inside this one? So X of -1 is the C only. No change in the value. Can you please print this one? Okay, like what is the answer we are going to get? C only. A, B, C. C is the answer we have to get. Okay, every time X, sir, because of this one, X is going to be updated. Observe that. Is it clear for you people? Any explanation is required? So what is the output we are going to get is, yes, here the output is A, B, C. C is the answer we are going to get. Okay, like now, so same example, let me take in different style, so that same example with a different value, so that if you have the doubt also, it will be cleared. Okay, same example second time with the different values. A is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 is there. Sir, for each a of minus 1 in a, print a of minus 1 comma n is equal to empty. Yeah, same question only, just instead of a b c d, now I took 0 1 2 3. Okay, like sir, now take a bit special care. I hope even the people, some people may have the doubt. Now your doubt by default will be clarified. Can you please tell what is the a value? A value means a list, sir. Here a value, what is the a value means a list. Sir, can you please confirm which values are there? 0 1 2 3 values are there. Okay, like 0 1 2 3, this is the current a, sir. Okay, now see this one, sir. Here for each element inside a, can you please assign to this? First time 0 is going to be considered. First time 0 is going to be considered, that 0 will be assigned in this location. Okay, now a of minus 1 becomes in this location. Can you please assign 0? Now this is the updated a. Remember this one. Now this is the updated a. Now a of minus 1, can you please print that? A of minus 1 is the 0. 0 will be printed. Perfect. Now, sir, for each next element in a, currently a is this one, sir. Now 1. Now next element is 1. 1 will be saved in this location. Now can you please print yeah, minus 1 means 1 is going to be printed. 0 1. Next element is this one, sir. 2. Sir, can you please assign 2 in this location? Now this one is going to replace with 2. Can you please print the last element, sir? 2 is going to be printed. Next, sir, here, this is updated a. So for the next element means we require to consider 2, sir. So can you please save that 2 inside a of minus 1? Already in the same location only, no change in the value. In a, print a of minus 1 means current value is sir 2. Okay, so 0 1 2 2 is the answer we are going to get. Can you please confirm? Yes, is it the same output by default we are getting or not? Any doubt? Any explanation is required? Yeah, friends. Okay, this is one of very important question for the interviews. For most of the people, python students brain, this question is going to eat like anything, sir. Here, just what I want to take is, let me copy paste in the Google. Okay, lot of people are talking about this question, sir. Okay, because it's a commonly asked question in the interview room. Okay, like lot of people are asking about this one, sir. Okay, maybe here, just not this one. Stack Overflow also I saw this type of question here. Just observe here, just have a look once. This type of question, this type of question. No, not this. Okay, I will do one thing. Let me copy paste up to this only. Let me copy paste up to this. So because end all these things I took, right? That's why. Okay. So here if I can take a of, yeah, here just observe this one. A is equal to 0 1 2 3. For each a of minus 1 in a, print a of minus 1. What will happen, sir? Have you observed? Sir, this is this type of question is the commonly asked question in the interview room and the job based written test. Please take a bit special care. Clear? Just imagine, execute, analyze. You people can get much clearly, right? So here, just read the every value, store in this location, and print from that list this element. That's all. Observe this. Just observe this one. If I print a, can you please imagine what is the output we are going to get in this case? Yeah, if I print a, what is the answer we are going to get? Because after completing for loop, what is the content of a? What is the content of a? 0 1 2 2 is the final content. Correct, right? Now observe what is the output by default we will get here is 0, 1, 2, 2 itself is the answer. Have you observed? This is the final content of A. Okay, suppose you may ask, here just observe this instead of like this, A of, okay, minus 2 I'm taking in A, print A of minus 1. Print A of minus 1. Can you please confirm what is the answer we are going to get in this case? Can you analyze? Yes, immediately you have to tell, because you are already experts in this area. Sorry, forget about this one. Yeah, no issue. Let me take this one. Yeah, minus 2. Minus 2 means last location. My last but one location. Second location from the last, minus 2. So now here see this one. Instead of performing replacement in the last from the last second location, replacement is going to be happen. Now observe that carefully, right? Here 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 is this one. Okay, like sir, now for A of minus 2 in A, so 0 will be saved inside minus 2. Minus 2 means this one, sir. Now, sir, here do you know this 2 will be replaced with a 0, 0, 0. Print A of minus 1. Are print A of minus 1 means 3 only. Okay, well, 3 is there. Next elements are 1. 0 is already crossed. 1 will be saved in this location. Now 1 will be saved in this location, in this location. Now print A of minus 1 means 3 only. Remember, like next elements are 1 will be there. Sir, 1 will be saved in the same location. For that, what I have to take? A of minus 1. A of minus 1 is always a 3 only. Okay, like now next elements are 3. 3 can you please save inside minus 2 means in this location 3 will be changed. Print A of minus 1 means again 3 only. Okay, what is the output by default we are going to get? 0, 1, 3. 3 is the final list content, but output we are always going to get sir 3, 3, 3, 3 for this. Next, if I print A 0, 1, 3, 3, we are going to get the answer. Can you please confirm? Is it the same? 0, 1, 3, 3, the final content of A, but here output is always a 3, 3, 3, 3. Like, sir, now if I can take, can you please print A of minus 2? What will be the answer? You know. What will be the answer? You know. Can you please guess? Can you please guess? Can you please print? First 0 will be placed. Next 1 will be placed. First 0 will be placed. 1 will be placed. 2 will be placed. Next 3 will be placed. In that location, 3 will be placed. 0, 1, 2, 3 itself is the answer. 1 minute. 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 0, 1, 1, 3. Sir, means 1 minute. Correct. 0, 0, correct. Vishnupriya, correct. 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. So it's always first 0 will be placed here. Now 0 will be printed. Next 1 will be placed here. Next 1 will be printed. And then here 2 is no more. 1 is there. Now 1 will be printed. And now 3 is going to be placed here. 3 will be printed. 0, 1, 1, 3 itself is the answer what we are going. 0, 1, 3, 3, right? 0, 1, 1, 3 itself is the answer. What is the output we are going to get? 0, 1, 1, 3. Next, the final output, have you observed right? 0, 1, 3 and 3 will be there. 0, 1, 3, 3 will be the, list content. 0, 1, 3, 3 will be the list content. I hope, are you in the position to analyze? Yes, the remaining people, if you want, I will explain. Are you in the position to analyze, right? Yes, what will happen? How the replacement is going to be happen? Okay, that's all. These type of questions, also tricky questions, may be a chance to ask in the interview room. Please take a bit special care. Read every element and save in this location. Read the next element, save in this location. If already some element is there, replace that element. Sir, read this element, but always going to take from updated list. Remember this, not from this original list. Always going to take input from the updated list. Okay, A value keep on changing, right? Please take a bit special care about these things.